Hi, you can see me. This is Kelly from MacLock. You can see me picking this smart lock skill that I think may come in handy for a lot of you. I did not have the key, so I just have the cylinder. So you can see I've got pressure on the sidebar with my finger, and I'm pushing those wafers up and down to get them to pick, and then I'm trying it. Hold there and I'll let you listen to the wafers click against the sidebar. Okay, that last one was a pretty good click. You could hear it clearly. The way these smart locks work is really quite impressive. At first I didn't think it was a big deal. They're similar to a lock that was sold years ago that was in mortise locks in businesses with the same principle. Now this is, if you remember, for some of you, the old GM trunk locks, there's a way to pick those, and this is very similar in that you just put pressure on the sidebar and manipulate the wafers. You can see there I picked it. It is turning, and you can see where by the absence of the sidebar and the bars on the side have changed. The view has changed, and I just reset that lock with the change tool, which is also what I picked it with. You can see no sidebar there, and I'm going to put the smart lock rechange tool back in so you can see that the bar has been reset. And I'm going to insert a key, and then you'll hear the click of the bar coming forward, and there you go. No special tools, that simple. Total time about 3 or 4 minutes, and it can take longer, particularly the first time, because it is a feel technique.